Hello, Tuesday 29th of May 2018. This is the radio unit of my Volvo XC70 manufactured in October 2003. Please observe that this audio unit is a HU-803. This car came as a Summum mobility line. As you can see, on the left side of the radio unit we have a phone unit, and this car also came with a factory installed navigation unit. Today I am trying to install a GROM audio auxiliary interface adapter. I'm following the instructions in their installation manual. I have the vehicle specific cable VOLVO1, as in picture 1 down there. I have it here on my lap. On the back side of my radio unit you can see these connections. On the very right side you will see the cables leading to the phone unit. This connector here will lead to the phone, I suppose, and this one is the one that I have to plug out according to the installation manual. This manual further tells me that if you have the factory navigation system, reconnect the disconnected factory harness back to the stereo using the female end of the VOLVO1 harness. So since I have the factory navigation system, I want to reconnect the disconnected factory harness back into the stereo using the female end of the VOLVO1. So here is the female thing of the harness, and I'll hope I'll be able to make this very clear to you, but there's my problem. Let's bring some more light to it. I think this is the best I can do for the moment. I want to show you another thing. Right, so here we have to deconnect this one, and I hope you can immediately see the difference between this connector and the connector that they sent me. First of all, in the original Volvo connector, you see that there is a safety pin on top. That's not very clear, I know. It's easily, but the problem is in there. There is a, right, let's bring it a little bit closer, like that. Where's my pen? Please observe that this thing here is deeper inside than this thing here. See? It's right at the edge. So if I try and connect the female connector to this original male Volvo connector, what you get is this. I do not get it any further than that, which is a mediocre, probably very bad connection.